Good morning. What's happening out there? This is Cooking with the Bat Live. Day 2 of Big Guns Thin Waist competition with Steve the Cut Man Geiger. As you can see by the looks of me, I am right now 194 pounds, 2 pounds down from the starting weight of 196. I can't walk because my legs, I can't feel my legs. That's the way that my man knew I cannot say my opponent's name. I will refrain from calling him Smoky Bottom or Smoky Bottom Boys. He is now known as Champ Who. Who? Who, 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 who? Hooty who? I think there's a bunch of owls out here this morning. Now, on the brighter side, oh Lord, I just heard back from the Black Barbecues Matters champion, Freddie Little Pete Randolph. Got that big bad smoker. Other guy, Delvit Jose Depew. He says he's in. Oh Lord. He's like Pepe Le Pew when he runs across. Team Sneak and Toke up early in the morning getting the pump on like Arnold. So, I want you all to know that the real champ, you're looking at him here. So, the coveted belt and the title will come back to Team Sneak and Toke. I see them boys with them big smokers, metal ones, everything like that. Now, Sneak and Toke smoke team, I cook inside a beer can. I cook inside a cheap dollar store barbecue grill. It doesn't matter. All that matters is me, the Smoke Master, along with Big Balls Dwayne and the U.S. Hammer, baby. Put the hammer down on you with Hammer Time Brisket. Can't touch this, okay? So, mesquite, this is the wood, the secret wood that I use. I cannot release, but you know what it is. It's White Rhino. So beware. I'm coming for you. It's kind of scary, ain't it? That's why I'm doing this. This is Cooking with the Bat Show live. You hear me? Ms. Annie? I ain't refraining from your name. Y'all have a good day now. Ooh. Watch out. Watch out, Fred. Watch out, Fred. They behind you. Oh, Lord. Better run. Ooh. We will see you at the Boys Barbecue Blaze Bonanza. Peace out.